If you're looking for something to keep your kids busy this summer, especially little kids, this is a really fun option.
It's a complete water play activity center that comes with multiple accessories, and setup was pretty easy. We just used a mini air pump to inflate everything from the main pool to the slide and accessories. And once inflated, you can see all the different little play sections and pieces included around the pool area. The inflatable sides feel soft and cushioned for younger kids, and the material itself feels smooth, durable, and comfortable for water play. This feels best suited for older babies, younger toddlers, and just smaller kids who enjoy shallow water play, little activities, and splashing around outside on hot days. I like that it includes extra accessories and little activity zones so kids can switch between water play, tossing games, and even the bowling setup. The back pool section gives younger kids a comfortable spot to sit, splash, and cool off while still having other little activities nearby. And having those different ways for younger kids to interact with it helps keep them engaged a little longer than just a basic kiddie pool. This is a nice little option for young toddlers and babies to enjoy water play outside and stay cool during warmer summer months.
It's something that can keep them entertained for a decent amount of time, making it a perfect option for summer.